All right, y'all, I'm back at my spot. I am gonna go ahead and get out on the water. Going to charge my phone a little bit, so I'm not gonna take y'all with me for a while until I can get some things charged up. But it's still early enough. I'm trying to beat the fireworks, so hopefully the fish are biting. I know that the loud sounds confuse them sometimes, so yeah, that's what we're doing. All right, stick around. What's up, you guys? I finally caught my fish. I caught a 3.69 pound channel, and I'm super excited about it. I got my line back in. I caught it on a treble hook, and then I changed my hook. But we'll see. I might put another treble back in. I am not using stink bait today. I'm using my own bait. Chicken with seasonal salt and chicken juice, and it's laying out in the sun getting all nasty, and so far that's had better luck than my stink bait. Who'd have thunk it? There's a front moving in, so hopefully that'll help the fish start moving too, and hopefully I can catch me some more. What up, guys? So as you can see, I'm gonna turn this way so you can see my face a little bit. Or as you can hear, there's fireworks going off like crazy, and it is absolutely ruining my fishing. And I'm not sure if I should be upset that my fishing is ruined or that I'm getting a free fireworks show that I spent absolutely no money on. Because fireworks are super expensive this year, and well, I never spend money on fireworks. So, I mean, trade-off? Yeah. Margo. But no fish. I mean, like, really? What am I supposed to do with that? What's up, y'all? I'm back. So I am going to put my glove on, and I'm gonna get these fish. I got three, but one got off, and well, it stole my hook. It didn't get off. It just straight up took the whole hook. I got down on my hands and knees and tried to follow it. Couldn't get it in time, but yes, I am that person. So got my little gripper thingy and my glove, and wait, let's weigh these babies. All right, here's the first one. It's like a good size channel. My other one's flopping around in there. All right, let's weigh this one. Actually, I don't need the glove for this one. Well, can you see that? $3.89. You got. Pretty sure it just got a bunch of blood all over me. Cool. Fish blood. Now I need the glove. Check out this one. Yeah. Let's weigh this one. I'm going to take the glove off again. 3.6. Nine. Oh yeah, this is the first one I caught. Decent sized fish. Yes. Quality shots. Yeah, look at the head on that thing. Okay. You can go home with me. I would just like to say that tonight is the first time I've used a digital scale in the other 18 fish I caught. I did not use, well, I guess the 18 fish I caught in June. I did not use a digital scale because I couldn't find it, and I didn't go buy one. I should have bought one. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna have to say that my 4-pound fish was probably way bigger than 4 pounds, especially after using that digital scale, because my biggest fish tonight was 3.89, and it's a pretty decent sized fish, if you know what I'm saying. I'm exhausted. I've still got to fillet these guys and get them in the freezer. So I think I'm gonna drink some caffeine, and I mean, it's only 12:45, but I've still got a ways of a drive home, and then to fillet them, and then wake up, hit the 4th of July parade for tomorrow, and celebrate the day with my kids somehow. When I get home, I will show a little bit of you know, my process. I'm not gonna skin or do any of that stuff on the fish because I don't know what I am and am not allowed to show on YouTube. So just to spare everybody, I won't show that part, but I will show you the fish before, after. We'll look at it real good, and then we'll look at the meat and all that great stuff. So I'll be back in just a minute. Well, a minute for you, real long time for me. Guys, so back at the house, about to clean my fish. I'm not going to show my cleaning my fish, but I was just thinking about, it's funny because, like, even as a female, I don't clean my fish inside the house, and I have always, like, you know, known that that was like a thing. You don't clean the fish inside the house. And I actually, on the way home, I was thinking, oh, I wish I had an outdoor, like a full-blown outdoor kitchen. That way it would make cleaning my fish a lot more simple. And then I was thinking, well, yeah, you don't clean indoors because, I mean, you don't take your deer that you just hunted and you don't take it in your living room and clean it. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, you might have a deer barn or something like that where you hang the meat or whatever, but you just don't take your hunt inside. So that was what I was thinking about. I just wanted to share that thought. Hey, not too bad. Like so, for my 2 fish, that's pretty decent amount of meat. Yeah. In the freezer, she'll go. Just real quick, here's my other bag of catfish meat that I'm saving for next weekend. We're having a fish fry with my family. Yeah, so this plus that other bag is what I got so far. Yeah. These guys are cooler than anybody you know.
How do we know that?
Cause what? Sorry. Oh, no, you're good. Woo!